Hello. Today I'd like to share you another interactive tool. Okay. Um, this is I think the same function like Pear Deck. However, it allows the students to write their name. So for teachers, we are easy to monitor their understanding. And it's very easy to use. First, as a teacher, we click host buzzer room. We can see here's a room code. You just click here and then share this link to students. Okay. So the student have to write their real name, and when you ask a question, they can answer from typing here and press buzz. Okay, you will receive the answer immediately. So most of the time I use this for checking their understanding. It's kind of like a tool to assess their learning progress. So if I found that the answer is not correct, so I can just click them. So they have to join again and write another answer. Okay, hope this it works with you as well. Thank you.